Hello everyone, welcome back to Codester. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to install Flutter on your laptop step by step so you can start building amazing mobile app right now. Alright, so the first thing that I did was head over to Google and search for Flutter. Then I clicked on the official Flutter website. I will leave the link to the official Flutter website on the description down below. Once you are on the site, click on Get Started. You will see a few options like Windows, macOS, and Linux. Since today's video is about downloading Flutter on Windows, then let's go ahead and click on Windows. From here, the first step is to download the Flutter SDK bundle. Wait for it to finish. After finish the installation, let's go ahead and extract the zip folder. After the extraction completed, I don't need the zip folder anymore, so I'm gonna delete it. Now let's go ahead and open the extracted file. Double click on the bin folder and copy the path of it. Now let's go ahead and search for something called environment variables. Click on environment variables and then go to your system variables and you will find something called path. Click on it and edit, and then click on the button new and paste the path that we copied before and click on OK, and OK. And now let's go and type cmd so we can get access to our command line, and then type this command Flutter Doctor to see if the Flutter got installed completely without no issues. Here we have two errors. Command line tools component is missing and Android license status unknown. And it tells us to run Flutter Doctor Android license to accept the SDK license. So let's run this command. Okay, this is a common error for people who just installed Android Studio fresh. Now we got this red error that says Android SDK manager not found. Update the latest Android SDK and ensure that the code line tools are installed. So let's go ahead to our Android Studio. Click on the three dots on the right and then go ahead to SDK manager. Let's go ahead and click on the SDK tools and scroll down till we find the SDK command line tools. So let's go ahead and check Android SDK command line tools latest 19.0. You can see the message on the right, not installed. So let's go ahead and click on it and apply. This is just a confirmation message. So let's click OK and install the installation. After the installation finished, click on OK. Now let's go again to our command line and retype the same command that we typed before. Now wait for Flutter to install all the missing Android licenses. Now we are going to spam the letter Y to accept all the changes. Now after this step, I'm gonna restart my device. So after the restart, let's go ahead and retype Flutter Doctor to see if everything got solved and the Flutter is not missing any dependencies. And like we see here, there is no errors at all. So Flutter is added to our device. So let's go ahead and check if we can create a new Flutter project without no problems. By typing this command, Flutter create, and you can give a name to your app. So I'm gonna name it Test App because we are testing. Like we can see the message all done, which is mean that the project got created successfully. So let's go ahead and enter our project by typing cd test app, and then let's go ahead and run our project by the command flutter run. And you can see that the project is running. So let's type Q to quit. Alright, now that we finished installing Flutter on the laptop, let's move on setting up everything inside VS Code. So open your VS Code, go to extensions, tab on the left and search for Flutter. Once you find the official Flutter extension, go ahead and click install. You might see a little warning pop up asking, do you want to trust the publisher Dart code? Just click trust publisher and continue the installation. After that, it will show a quick info message saying that the Dart Flutter and Flutter extension used Google Analyst to report some anonymous users' data. Nothing to worry about, so I just clicked OK. Next, I installed another really useful extension called Flutter Widget Snippet. You might see another message about trusting the publisher, so go ahead and click Trust Publisher and let it install. Let me quick explain what this extension does. Basically, help you code faster. It gives you ready-to-use code, shortcuts for common Flutter widgets, super helpful and saves a lot of time. After that, let's go back again to the search bar and search for another extension called Error Lens. Go ahead and install this one too. What Error Lens does, it highlights your error and warning directly in your code. It makes it really easy to spot mistakes without having to look down on the problem tab. So it's a great extension to have. Finally, about the Dart extension. You don't actually need to install it manually. When you install Flutter, the Dart extension gets installed automatically, since Flutter uses Dart as its main programming language. So no need to worry about that part. And that's it. You've now got Flutter, Dart, and all essential extensions set up inside VS Code. So that's it for today's video. You officially set up your Flutter environment and are ready to start building your first mobile app. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Coder Hive, and turn on notification so you don't miss the next part where we start coding our first Flutter project. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.